Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So today we're going to make a delicious and nutritious holiday salad using very simple ingredients. So hang with me because it's that time to get cooking. All right, so these are the ingredients that you're going to need to make this delicious chickpea and cranberry salad. All right, so you will need 1 can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans. And I'm going to drain and rinse them.
And chickpeas are packed with protein and loaded with fiber. They actually help with digestion and it keeps you feeling full longer. They are also rich in iron, magnesium, and folate. Then you will need 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, which provide a touch of natural sweetness while offering rich antioxidants. And then you will need 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, which give a satisfying crunch and are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. And then you will need some feta cheese. Now this is a Greek cheese and it adds a creamy texture and a salty tang while being a great source of calcium and probiotics. And as you can see, I'm using the back of a fork to crumble the cheese. And then I'm going to chop some Italian parsley, which adds freshness and extra nutrients.
So now let's make the dressing for this salad. All right, need 2 tablespoons of an extra virgin olive oil. One tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And 1 tablespoon of honey. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Let's give this a mix. All right, then I'm just going to pour this dressing over, give it a stir. Okay, and that's all there is to it to make this delicious chickpea and cranberry salad. Now it's time for the taste test. Oh yeah, this is so good. What a perfect salad for any holiday table. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all my delicious recipes. God bless and I will see you next time.